Hi, my name is Tagastelo. Today I'm gonna find dead bodies with this server, only this server, or private server. You need to be in alone. If there's one people, you can go there. Just don't look at it. Okay. Now open this machine.
Ma'am Garcia Bernadette, Ma'am Nox, lahat po ng nagpamay na wala pang BP, Ma'am Madzo,
Then close it.
Hanggat wala po kayong BP, hindi po kayo mabibigyan ng item. Ma'am Nox, mag-PM po muna. Mag-PM po para mag-guide po kayo. Anong plastic
You need
na
to
regular?
climb here. See. Oops, never mind.
Wala po
We can't
tayong
look at
extra
people.
small.
Where shall we hide? I think this is the
Okay,
best.
Ma'am Sabra, yours na to ha. Ikaw yung huling nakamay nito. Wala na po nito. Sold out na.
Did you guys saw that? Oh, wow.
Biggest size man aming XL. Okay? Again, ang size ng suot ko ay small. Ito po yung biggest size natin. XL na ladies ka. Wala na po ba magmamay? Code is happy. Grabe. Fresh and sexy. Para makapag-next na po ako mga kalaki.
No one's here.
Magmamarty na po ako.
That's all today, guys. Bye.